Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing the LAMTTO 9.26-inch wireless CarPlay touchscreen with 4K front dash cam. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your car with the latest technology, this device could be a game changer. We'll explore its features, performance, and see if it's worth your investment. So, let's dive right in. First up, this LAMTTO device boasts a 9.26-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen. It connects easily via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and once paired, it reconnects automatically. You can access apps, maps, and even control everything using voice commands through Siri or Google Assistant, keeping your focus on the road. It's a seamless way to integrate your smartphone into your driving experience. The standout feature here is the built-in 4K front dash cam. It offers Ultra HD video quality, capturing critical details like license plates and road signs. The 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures a broad field of view, and night vision provides clear recordings even in low light. Plus, with loop recording and G-sensor technology, the camera automatically locks footage if a collision is detected, keeping important videos safe. On top of that, this CarPlay screen is highly customizable. It adjusts brightness automatically to suit your environment and even allows you to personalize the startup screen with your favorite image or car logo. For audio, you have options. Use the built-in speakers or sync it to your car system via FM transmission or audio cable. It's versatile and user-friendly. Overall, the LAMTTO 9.26-inch wireless CarPlay touchscreen with 4K dashcam packs impressive features into one device, making it a fantastic upgrade for any vehicle. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. If this review helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching and drive safe!